So in this video, let's take a look at how you can compress a 4K video into a 1080p one, right? So you might want to do this for multiple different reasons. Whatever your incentive is, there is a possibility on how you can do it relatively simply. So if you open up the camera and go to the video section, you can see that most of my videos are captured at 4K. And it is possible to downgrade them or compress them using an app called CapCut. So CapCut is a video editor which I would recommend you to install regardless because it's like a great app. I can only recommend it. And essentially using this app, you can perform a bunch of edits. So go to the edit section and create a brand new project. So I'm gonna import a clip right here from my gallery, which was shot at 4K. So I'm gonna click on that, and you can see that I can edit it and perform some changes, and at the end there is a watermark which you can delete, so yeah, you might want to do that. And then at the top you have the settings for export. So we have the resolution, and by default it's set to 1080p, and you can keep it at 4K, but if you just leave it at 1080p, don't perform any other changes, and just click on export, then the video will end up in your gallery, finished, and now it's going to be exactly as it was before, but in a 1080p and not 4K. So you can check it out. We have the 1080p right there, and the original video we used, so let me just show that to you, was shot at 4K. So that's how it works. It's pretty simple. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the next one in video like this one.